Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's gaining popularity: why so many people are choosing holistic healing over traditional medical treatments. If you have ever wondered about the benefits and risks of herbal remedies compared to prescription medications, you're in the right place. First, let's talk about why herbs take time to work. Unlike pharmaceutical medications that often mask symptoms, herbal remedies aim to address the root causes of health issues. This holistic approach may take longer, but it can lead to more sustainable health benefits. Modern medicine can provide quick relief, but it often comes with side effects. For instance, common antibiotics prescribed by doctors can lead to gastrointestinal issues like cramps and diarrhea, or even more severe problems such as heart palpitations or seizures. In contrast, herbal medicines tend to be gentler on the body, making them a preferred choice for many. Another factor driving this shift is the rising cost of healthcare. Without insurance, even a simple visit to a general practitioner can be expensive. And prescription medications add another financial burden. Herbal medicines, being derived from natural resources, are often more affordable and accessible than their synthetic counterparts. It's essential to note that while holistic medicine offers many benefits, it should not replace conventional medical care. Certain holistic therapies can interfere with modern medications and may even cause harm. Always consult your doctor before trying any new treatments. Holistic medicine and herbal remedies come with several advantages over prescription medications. They typically cause fewer side effects and take a comprehensive approach to health, addressing not just physical symptoms but also mental and emotional aspects. Many herbal remedies are based on natural compounds found in plants, which have historically been used for healing. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential drawbacks. Herbal products are often unregulated, meaning they can be mislabeled or contaminated. Some herbs may interact with prescription drugs, and others can be toxic if taken improperly. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's safe. Certain herbs can cause allergic reactions or may not be suitable for individuals with specific health conditions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on health and wellness. Share your experiences with herbal remedies in the comments below. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay balanced.